Hello fans, Raju here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video CPA marketing with unseen traffic. It's one of the number one CPA tutorial, I can assure you. A lot of people ask me to make CPA tutorial, how to promote CPA offers and how to make money on CPA marketing. For this reason, I made this video. It's one of the best unseen CPA tutorial, unseen CPA method that anyone can apply it and get results. Okay, but at the first I want to say you have to invest some bucks. It may be 20 or 25. It not in every day. If you invest this 20 or 25 bucks, then you can make 40 or $50. So it depends on you. You can invest it in every day, or you can invest it in weekly or 2 or 3 days in per week. So guys, let me explain, let me finish all the tasks A to Z. I will show you everything what you need to do and how you can make CPA profits using this unseen method. Okay guys, now what you have to do at the first, you have to watch this complete tutorial. Okay, don't miss any part of this video. Okay, then you have to create an account on any CPA network. It may be Max Bounty, it may be Peerfly, it may be CPA Lead, it may be CPA Grip, as your wish. If you already have account, then fine, you can start right now. Okay, and then step 3, you have to choose your best offers to promote. Okay, and finally apply the unseen traffic method that I will show you in this video. Okay guys, I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, JBizoo and many other affiliate networks, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. Now let me show why people love this, the positive side of this method. Okay, you can make CPA profits today. If you can apply this method, you can make CPA profit today. Then it's 100% unseen way. If you think it's an unseen method, then like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video with other people. Okay, and you can make 40 to $50 per day. Okay, and it's 100% genuine method. A lot of marketer already do it. You can see it, and it's a set and forget method. Okay, no one can apply this set and forget method in the case of CPA marketing. Now in this video I will show you. Okay, you don't need any coding skill, marketing skill, working skill for applying this method. Okay, and get results today. Okay, and it's totally beginner friendly. Now it has two or some negative sides. If you see the negative side, then running CPA marketing, running CPA offers, you never can make passive income. Okay, in the case of passive income, you have to start affiliate marketing, you have to start coaching, training, your own coaching service. Okay, but running CPA network, running CPA offers, you can't make passive income, and you have to invest some bucks. It's the two negative sides of this method. If you think it's doesn't matter, then start it and complete this tutorial and apply this method to make CPA profits. Okay guys, but first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. If you want to start affiliate marketing, online marketing, then a lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel. I try my best to cover ClickBank method, JBizoo method, Warrior Plus method, CPA method, free traffic, paid traffic, everything you will get inside my YouTube channel. So a lot of money making opportunities here. I can assure you, you never be disappointed, you never be frustrated. To subscribe my YouTube channel, and I uploaded videos here, 3 videos per week. Okay guys, now I will show you the best method, but if you are interested in affiliate marketing and if you want to make over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation, or you can check my video description. You see here, make 10,000 per month affiliate commission. You can get access here, and you know it, traffic is the key to online success. If you have traffic, then you can make sales. So don't miss these traffic opportunities, okay? And a lot of money making opportunities here, so you can check it for making long term big income, okay? Now guys, start your CPA marketing journey with this unseen method, with this unseen traffic, and I will show you a step by step everything. If you are a green newbie, it doesn't matter. If you are an expert marketer, it doesn't matter. Anyone can apply it. You just need to invest 20 or 25 bucks to apply this method. That's it. Otherwise, there is no hassles, there is no difficulties, there is no problems to apply this method, okay? And a lot of people think CPA marketing is so much easy. Yes, it's so much easy if you can run paid ads on Bing, okay? But if you comment on Facebook, if you comment on Instagram, Twitter, most of the case you can't get result, okay? You have to follow the right way. And in the case of CPA marketing, if you can invest money, if you get traffic, if you get paid traffic, then you must get better result, okay? Now let's start it, but don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra. I can assure you it help a lot. So at the first, you have to create an account on CPA network. If you already have CPA account, then fine, and if you don't have account, then I prefer CPA grip, because most of the country allowed this CPA network, this CPA grip. And in the case of Max Bounty or Peerfly, most of the case you don't get approval, okay? Or you can choose offer vault. In this case, the same problem, you can get approval. But if you can choose this CPA grip, then I can assure you you don't need to face any hassles, any problems, okay? Click the register here and simply register it, okay? Your first name, your first name, your last name, your company name. Company name is your own name, okay? Your website, if you don't have a website, then you can use your Facebook URL, okay? Your street address, your country, you see here all over the world, it's for open, okay? Put your city, your state, your zip code, your phone number, your Skype ID, okay? Choose the publishers. You can choose web or content lock or others, any on it doesn't matter. You put your email address, put your password, put your confirm password, select your time zone, okay? Then check you are not a robot and click here and accept their term and condition. And did you hear about us? Put here it Google or YouTube, okay? Then register. It takes 2 or 3 minutes to create your account on CPA grip. And if you already have CPA grip account, then fine, log in into your CPA grip account and start your next step. Choose the best offers, okay? In this case, visit this offer tools and click the my offers, okay? And put here the all countries. At the first, you see all country, that means you will get a lot of offers for every country, okay? Then choose the type. It may be desktop or mobile. You can choose all type, okay? Then choose here the categories, and here you see free survey, free trial, submit, zip submit, social action, you put zip submit, email or zip submit, okay? Now you see here all the country offers here, but in this method I already said it, you have to invest few bucks, few dollars, and for this you don't need to promote all the offers. And in the case of CPA marketing, every offer is for a specific country. Okay, you see here, this offer is for New Zealand. Okay, this offer is for Netherlands. Okay, so you see here all the offers are specified for a selected country. Now for this method I recommend you to choose USA. Okay, United States. Then you see here all the offers of United States, and in this case you have to focus on the payout option, and I recommend you to choose the high payout offers. Okay, minimum 2 or 2.50. Okay, minimum 2 or 2.50. Okay, now you have to choose it, you have to choose your best offers. And another recommendation, in this case I recommend you to choose health related offers. Okay, now find out this type of health related offers and high payout offers. Okay, let's start and search it. You see here it's one of the health related, but here is low payout. Okay, then it's another Get Medicare, it's low payout. Okay, you see here save money on health insurance and it's 2.25. Okay, it may be a fine offer for promoting. Okay, then click this offer, and you see here is the offer headline, here is the offer preview, and here is the offer link. Okay, now you have to promote this offer. How can you promote this offer? I will show you this unseen method. Traffic is the key to online success. It may be affiliate marketing, it may be CPA marketing, it may be anything in online marketing. Okay, if you have traffic you can get sales. So you have to generate traffic, and if you can generate traffic you can get everything, you can make money. Okay, but if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. Okay guys, now this step number 4, apply unseen traffic method. And for this visit this website, Rapid Orchards. You see here it's the account of Rapid Orchards. Okay, at the first you have to sign up here. Okay, you see sign up now. Just simply put your name, your email address, your password, your country. It's open for all over the world. Then you are not a robot, and click the term and condition and create your account. Okay, after creating your account, simply log in into here. Now you see here a lot of people added their campaigns here. This is on campaign, it's for international, and payout is 15. Its time needed 3 minutes. Okay, another, it's for Australia, New Zealand, UK, Sweden, Norway, Finland. Payment 20 cent and takes time 3 minutes. Okay, you see here a lot of offers here, a lot of offers here, a lot of campaigns here that other marketers added inside this Rapid Orchards. Now you have to added this offer on Rapid Orchard. Okay, and before it, at the first, when you want to make a campaign here, you have to deposit money. Otherwise RapidWorker doesn't allow you to create your campaign. Okay, and it's so easy and simple to deposit money, and it's your investing money that I already said it. You need $20 to $25 to deposit. Okay, click the deposit option and you can simply deposit $5, $10, 15, 25, 50, 100, 20, or 250, 500. But at the first stage I recommend you to invest 15 to 25 this offer for checking. If you get result, then invest more, earn more. Okay, and if you want to deposit 15, then just click here the deposit. Then you just need to reload your PayPal account and you can simply deposit your account. Okay, sorry. Okay, so you can simply deposit your balance. Okay, now if you want to create your campaign, then visit this my campaign. Okay, and you have to create your campaign, and I will show you how you can create your campaign. It's so much easy and so much simple, but you have to be careful. You have to follow all the rules inside this RapidWorkers. It's not so much difficult. Just say it, create your new campaign. Okay, click the new campaign. Now at the first you have to select your country, and your offer is for United States. Okay, so your country is United States, USA. Okay, now category of your campaign, and it's a category of zip submit or email submit. So you have to find out this type of categories. Okay, you can put sign up and simple sign up. That's it. It's the category. It's another the simple category. Okay, sign up, simple sign up. Okay, fine. Now you have to put your title, and here is your title. Okay, now you see here all the don't forget to use HTML code for the workers check. Okay, pause this video. If you face any problem, then you can pause this video. Then another option, you can edit this uh, this portion, and if you face any problem, then pause this video. And if you see here, if you want to click the featured option, then you need to charge 0.50 cents for this. And if you choose it, then you see here is the featured featured featured. Okay, just click here, then you can get all the info about your offers. Okay, now if you click this featured, then you can get rank on the top of this RapidWorker. Okay, After that, you can highlight your, it's doesn't matter, it not mandatory. Now here is the option, and uh, inside this box you can put your affiliate link here. You can copy this link and you can edit your link here, and inside this you have to write some short description about this offer. Okay, and if you preview this offer, then you can see it. Save money saving avenue, save 50% of your health insurance. Okay, get 50% of your health insurance, and you can take more other text here, or you can watch this video to fill up it. Okay, and you can add your link here. Okay, this is the offer, copy the link, and you can add your link here. Okay, now here is your task has been completed. Now you have to take how much take times to complete your offer. You see here, it may be 3 1 2, I put it 3 minutes. Okay, then available position and minimum workers needed, I need 20 workers. Okay, that means 20 people can sign up here, 20 people can fill my offer. Okay, and workers will earn here. If I get any email or zip submit, then I get 2.25. So if I invest 70 cent, if our workers earn 70 cent, then I have to cost $15. Mind it. Now let me calculate. Okay, let me calculate it. If I get 20 people, then 2.25 on 20. Okay, here is 45, and when I run my offer, my campaigns here, here is 15.73. If I get more 80 per people, then I have to invest 70.8, but I recommend you to put it 70. That's enough. Then 15.73. Okay, per $15, when you invest $15, you can earn 29. That means every $15 makes 29 for you. That's the simple equation. Okay, and you must need to run this. You must need to invest this money if you want to earn this. Okay guys, so that's all the process, and I can say you never seen this type of CPA promotion in ever before. And if you have any problem how you can work here, then you can see the tutorial. Okay, just click the tutorial. Here you get the Facebook page of this Rapid.org, and you will get a lot of people already here, and you can uh, get all the tutorial here, how to you see how to select the categories, how to select all the bidding, everything you will get inside various videos. Okay, so you can get it. Okay guys, that's all the process, that's all the system, and you can easily promote your CP offers using this rapid order, and you just need to invest 20 to $25 and you can make easily 30, 40, $50 per investment. Okay, and now it depends on you how much money you can earn per day. And in the case of choosing offers, if you choose the category of zip submit, you can use free service. Okay, you can use download, but I recommend you zip submit or email submit. It's the best one. And you can, after filling all the blanks, you can submit your campaign. At the bottom of this you see here submit your campaign, and after submitting your campaign, your all campaign separately reviewed for approval. And if you fill up all the process perfectly, your offer will be published and you can get this type of job opportunity, this type of campaign opportunity, and a lot of traffic here, a lot of people here, and you don't need to find a specific people. Okay, it's already added here, it's already added here, already added here, so you don't need to do anything inside here. That's it. So guys, if this video helped you, then like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, to reply your queries, and don't forget to share this video with other people. Okay guys, and if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, a lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel. So if you want to make big money, if you want to long run your online marketing journey, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. You can check all the money making opportunities and start your online marketing journey. And if you are interested with affiliate marketing, if you want to make passive money, huge money, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Okay guys, that's all the process. Now I want to repeat all these 4 steps once again. At the first, you have to create your account, and it may be CPA Grip, Max Bounty, Peerfly, or any of the CPA network. After that, you have to choose the best offers, and in the case of this method, in the case of this system, I recommend you to choose zip submit and email submit and choose the health offer. After that, visit the Rapid Order, create account on Rapid Order, deposit your money, and at the first stage, I recommend you, I prefer you to deposit 15 to $25. Okay, after that, create your campaign according to this and get results. Okay, and it's all depends on you, how much commission you pay your payers, your customers, everything depends on you. So guys, that's it. It's so easy and so much simple. You just need to invest this money, and if you face any problem, then comment in the comment box, or you can see the tutorial here, you can see the video here, you can see the video here, everything elaborately detailed inside this video, and I am always here to reply your question and queries. So guys, don't be hesitate to apply this method and get results and make CPA profits. So guys, that's it, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. So guys, see you soon. God bless you. Bye.